Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss all about creating the custom audiences in Facebook Ads Manager. So from the Facebook Ads Manager in the business tools, you simply need to click on this one, the audience section. And from the audience section, similar type of the dashboard will appear to you. From this, simply click on create audience and then click on the custom audience. So first of all, what is a custom audience? Custom audience, here you can also see connect with the people who have already shown an interest in your business or product with custom audience. You can create an audience from your contacts, website traffic, or mobile app. So there are the different options are available here. So here you can see we have almost the 12 options to create the custom audience. So first option is the website. We can create the custom audience based on the website, based on customer list, app activities, offline activity, videos, Instagram account, lead farm, events, instant experience, Facebook page, shopping, and on Facebook listings. So these are the different options. I am going to discuss these all options one by one. So first of all, the website. So for creating the website audience, first of all, you must have installed the Facebook pixel on your website. If you didn't install the pixel on your website, so you will not be able to create this audience. So before going to the next, I am assuming that you have already installed the pixel on your website. So after clicking on website, simply click on the next button. So this option will appear to you. So here you can see the source for that one. So it's showing the two different pixels here. I am not using my own account. So this is one of my client's account. So here you can see one pixel is red and one is grayed out. One is red. Red means this pixel is not fired yet. And the gray one like seems like we have no activity for a longer period of time. So after installing, after getting the pixel here, normally your pixel will be the green one, and the green option will appear that your pixel is firing properly and got the latest any events from your website. So about the next events type, there are the different options here. So all website visitors, people who visited specific website, visitors by time spent, page views, or if any other events are fired previously on your website, so you can also see all those events. So first of all website visitors. So we can create the audience of all website visitors up to 180 days. So for almost 6 months, we can retarget the people who visited our website in the last 6 months. Next, there is option to include or exclude people. So just example, if I also want to include the people, this will be an OR function again from the same pixel instead of all website visitors. So just example, if I want to add any specific people that visit specific pages, but I am not going to discuss this right now. So the next part from here is the people who visited specific web pages. So again, you can retarget the people up to 6 months, like 180 days for the people who visited the specific pages. Then it's asking for the URL, and then the URL contains, doesn't contain, or equal to. So you can put the contain, and you can put like any of the page, just like the cart page. So I have just put the specific bar of the add to cart page. So it's up to you which page you want to retarget people from, and simply you can copy that link and paste here. Similarly, the next option is visitors by time spent. So here are the different options. Visitors by time spent, so top 25%, top 10%, or top 5%. So it's up to you if you want to target any of the people. Normally we are targeting 5% or 10% that spend more time on our website. So I have simply selected 10%, and then it's asking for to put the specific pages. If we do not include this one, so it will include all the website visitors that spend the top 10% of time on our website. But if you want to include any specific page, you can simply paste the link here and it will create that option here. The next thing in the events, so just example, it's showing the page views. If you have got the events fired, like the add to cart, checkout, or purchase data, or any other event that is firing on your website, so those events will also appear, and you can also create the audience based on that data normally. So just example, for the people who visited specific page, so just example, if I put here the checkout page, and I want to exclude those people who also purchase, so slash thank you. So in this way, we can include all those people who went to the checkout page but didn't purchase. So in this way, you can create the different audiences based on this website audience or website option. Then the second thing is the customer list. We can create the audience based on the customer list. Like if we have the emails of the persons, if we have the phone numbers or any CRM data, if we want to create the audience based on this, we can use this. So simply you can click on that option, and then it's asking for you can directly import the data from MailChimp. You can download file template, or you can also check the other formatting options. Your data must be in the CSV format, and the headers will be clearly defined as email, phone number, something like that, in order to hash that. Then you need to click on the next button. If your data has the customer lifetime value, you can include that. Otherwise, simply click on no option, and then simply upload your file here, and your audience will be ready. Next option is app activity. If you are a developer or have any app and you want to like retarget the people based on their app activity, or if you like have the gaming app and you want to target the people based on the different levels in the game, you can use this option, or there are a lot of other options. You can check that. Offline activity, based on the people's offline activities, you can also retarget them, but again it will need some of the event setup for the offline activity. We are not going to do that. The next most important thing is the video views. So normally for the audience building, you are using this video views option, so you can click on this videos, then next, and from here it will show all the videos. So just example, I want to target based on people who watched the 50%. So here are the different metrics available. So people who viewed 3 seconds of video, people who viewed 10 seconds of video, or the 15-second video, it's also called the through plays. 25% video, 50% video, 75% or 95. If videos are long, so 75% or 95% are the good option. But right now I am just selecting for understanding purpose the 50% of the audience. Then it's asking to choose the video, so I am clicking on that, and then you need to simply click on the page, just like the page, and then all videos will appear from there. So you can simply select all those videos that are already there, that are uploaded and have the previous view. So I am selecting all those videos that have the views. You can also create the audiences based on one by one, but I am including all those videos in a single audience. So after selecting these videos, simply click on the confirm button. And for the videos, we can for the there are three options: video views, Facebook page engagers, and Instagram. We can retarget the people based on 365 days, means 1 year. So just example, I am just putting its name 50% video views, and simply you can click on create audience, and this audience will start populating. Again, I am going to the custom audience section. Then the next option is the Instagram account. So for this one, your Instagram must be attached with your account. So there are the different options available. Meanwhile, it's loading. So what are the different options available? So first of all, everyone who engage with your professional account, means business account, not the personal one. So if you have set up your business manager account, so you can use this one. Next one, anyone who visited your professional profiles account. Anybody who visited your profile on the Instagram, you can retarget them. The people who engage with your any ad or post, you can retarget based on that data. You can also retarget the people who sent the message to your professional account. But again, due to like new privacy rules in Europe, this feature is no longer supported for the European countries, or the people who saved any of post or ad. So for simplicity purpose, I am just simply clicking on everyone who engage with your professional account. And again, the retention will be 365 days. We can retarget the people up to 1 year. And next, IG engagers for 365 days. So I am creating this audience as well. Again, create audience. The next one is the lead form. If you have run the lead generation campaigns previously and generated the leads from that, you can use this option, lead generation or lead form. So you need to select the form. The different forms that you have previously created, those will appear here when you will type your page name. So for this one, events are anyone who opened this form, people who opened but didn't submit, or people who opened and submitted the form. So normally we want this audience to target like people who opened and submitted the form. Then you need to select the form. All the forms will appear here once you will select your Facebook page. So these forms are previously created, no new forms. If you are going to create the new campaign right now, so that new form that you have not created yet, it will not appear here. So you can only use the previous forms. And again, retention, for the retention purpose, you can only put for this one only the 90 days, and you can put the audience name here. Next is event. If you have created any Facebook event on your page, and you have got the different things like people who are shown interest as going or interested, you can retarget them. People who responded with going only, or people who responded as interested, you can retarget them. People who visited the event, people who have engaged, people who entered the ticket purchase flow, or people who have purchased the tickets, or people who abandoned the tickets purchase flow. So normally we are retargeting these people who abandoned the ticket purchase flow, and we are retargeting based on this one. So for this one, we also need to select any event, or we can select all the events, but right now we don't have any events, so that's why I am not like selecting this one. And retention for this means you can retarget the people based on 1 year's data. Next is the instant experience. So instant experience, if you have created any post or ad with the instant experience. So first of all, what is the instant experience? Like when you will click on that image or the ad, that will appear on your whole screen. So we can retarget the people based on who opened this instant experience, or who clicked on the link of the instant experience. And again, for this one, like these are the different instant experience searches. We can select like the products or the catalogs we have already created. We can use those, and we can retarget the people based on 1 year's data. Then the Facebook page next is the most important option. It's similar to the Instagram option. We have all those options like everyone who engage with your page, everyone who visited your page, people who engage with any post or ad, people who clicked on call to action button, people who sent a message to your page, or people who saved any of your post or the page. So I am selecting just those people who engage with my page. So I am just putting FB engagers 365 days. Again, the custom audience shopping experience, if we are creating like the catalog sales campaign or the shopping one, we can use this option, and based on the people's activity we can target based on those people. So just example, first of all, again we need to select the page. Then the events are people who viewed the products, people who viewed products or navigated to website, people who saved products, people who viewed shop page, people who viewed shop collection, or people added any product to their basket or initiate checkout. So just example, if we want to retarget the people who initiated checkout, and we can retarget them based on 180 days data. The last one is Facebook listings. This specifically part is related to the marketplace. So just example, people who viewed products in my catalog, or people who message about my products in catalog, we can also retarget them based on these of the activities. So these are the all options relating to the custom audiences. We can create the audience based on any of these options. Hope so you enjoyed this video. We will meet in the next video regarding the lookalike audience.